Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury aluminum railing system. On this video, we're going to be installing a Magna latch or a top pull latch on our gate. This is also known as a child safety latch used on pool fences, but if you have a second or a third story deck, it can also be used as a deterrent for the a young child to open the gate and go down the stairs. So this is the contents of a Magna latch. And hey, let's put this thing together. Following the instruction sheets for the Magna latch, I have determined the position for this Magna latch flush with the top of this post. And with this bracket, this is now removable. I've attached this with one screw, and then the instructions are calling for the second bracket to be 4 inches on center and attach this screw. We have 4 additional screws to get into place. These are self-tappers. We're now ready to install the Magna latch body over the brackets that we have installed on the post, and this is just going to slide down over. We're now ready to attach our striker plate, and what I have done is make sure my gate is positioned properly and put a mark. I've adjusted, I put one screw in place already. You notice this isn't aligning at this time, but we have an adjustment that's going to happen after we have all 4 screws in place. Again, these are self-tappers. We're now ready to position this striker plate. You can see we do not have alignment. This is a Phillips head screw. Two final steps here on this Magna latch installation. If we recall, this latch body slid over 2 brackets, and we need that securely fastened. So this is a side entry screw to secure that. We're now ready to close the gate. And put this cover in place to hide all the hardware. And just to point out a few features, right now this is green, and if I turn this, it's red, which means it's locked and it cannot be opened. So again, this is a child safety top pull latch, and the child has to be a little bit older to operate this, and it's a very good option specifically for second and third, fourth, fifth story decks where you don't want the child just to be opening and leaving your deck.